Three brothers in a business deal share the profit at the end of a contract. The first received 1/3 of the profit and the second 2/3 of the remainder. If the third received the remaining 12,000 naira, how much profit did they share? Let the total profit be X. So let X be the total profit. Now we are told that the first received 1/3 of the profit. 1/3 of the profit, and we say let the profit be X, 3 of the profit X, which is equals to 1/3 of X is equals to 1/3 times X, which is 1/3X. 1/3 times X is the same as 1/3X. So we have that. So that is what the first received. And what is now remaining, which is now remaining after he has received that, is now remaining the total amount, total profit shared minus what he received, 1/3X. So when we subtract that, this is 1X minus 1/3X. That will be equals to 2/3X. So that is what is remaining after the first brother have taken his own share. Now let's look at the next person. That is for the first person. The second. Now the second received 2/3, according to the equation, 2/3 of the remainder. 2/3 of the remainder. 2/3 of the remainder. Now this is the remainder, 2/3 of 2/3X. That is what the second received. And this is equals to 2/3 times, because of is times here, so times 2 all over 3x. So if you solve that, 2 times 2 is 4 all over 3 times 3 is 9 all over 9, 4/9x. So we have that 4/9x. This is what the second received. Now let's see what is remaining after the second have received from the share of the profit. The remainder after the second son have received, the remainder will now be equals to what was remaining when the first son received, or the first brother received his own. What was remaining? It was remaining 2/3x. That what was remaining when the first received his own. Now minus what the second brother received. What the second brother received was 4/9, like we calculated, 4/9x. This is what the second brother received. Now we solve this using LCM of 9. Solve that using LCM of 9, so that 9 divided by 3 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6, so we have 6x there. 9 divided by 9 is 1. 1 times 4x, we have 4x. So at the end of the day, what is left there, what is left will be equals to, what is left will now be equals to 2x over 9. 2x over 9. Now this is what the third brother received. The third brother received the remainder. This is the remainder. This is the remainder, and this remainder is equals to, this is what the third brother received. So, and we were told that this is in fraction, and we were informed from the question that the third brother received 12,000 naira. 12,000. So this fraction he received is equivalent to that 12,000 naira. This fraction is equivalent to that 12,000 naira. So all we need to do now is to find the value of x, and we are done with this equation. Okay, let's find the value of x from here. So all we need to do is just to cross multiply, this time this time this. So 2x times 1 is 2x. That will now be equals to 9 times 12,000. 9 times 12,000, this is 2x, is equals to, multiply 9 by 12,000, you have 108,000. You have 108,000. So I'm going to divide both sides by 2, divide here by 2, and divide here by 2. So we can now say our x is equals to, divide this by 2, you have 54. So our x is equals to 54,000, which is the answer. Because don't forget, we say let x be the total profit shared. So if you check through the options, you find out that the correct answer to this question is option B. Option B is the correct answer to this question.